The coronavirus has hit all European countries and it has put all our health systems under pressure. But some countries, in particular Italy and Spain, have been hit earlier and much harder than others. Support from the European Union and from other EU countries is crucial to help them cope with the pandemic. Our European solidarity can save lives. What hospitals in these countries need most are respiratory ventilators. I'm grateful to Denmark, which will send ventilators and a mobile field hospital to Italy. It comes just days after teams of European doctors and nurses from Romania and Norway were deployed to Italy through the European Union Civil Protection Mechanism. Further support will come from the European Union. We are creating a strategic reserve of ventilators to send them to the countries that need them most. Romania has offered to be the first country to host this EU reserve. The first 150 ventilators, paid by the European Union budget, are in production and will be dispatched to the countries most in need immediately. We're also buying together through joint procurement ventilators as well as protective equipment such as masks. In this unprecedented crisis, we are stronger together in the European Union.